solve. Now we are turning how to find a cube of any 7, 8 or 9 digit number. So up till we were finding first and last digit just by observation. Here when there is our cube number 7, 8 or 9 digit, then definitely answer would be 3 digit. Up till we were solving the example whose answer was just only 2 digit. So we had an option to choose just only by observation for last and first digit. But if here is 3 digit answer, then easily we can choose last one digit by observation, first one by observation. But what about middle one? So there is a little trick for middle one finding, and that we are going to learn. Before that, something different I want to tell you. Okay, so what we will use to find middle digit? What we will use to find middle digit? So for that, firstly I want to tell you, just visualize any 3 digit number. For example, just I am taking, suppose it is 243. In the 243, you just have to imagine, it's not everything correct. Our tens 100 digit is A, tens digit is B, and unit digit is C. Just it is imagination. To make a specific formula, then only we will understand how to do it properly. So only. Okay, so here one imagination, what we are understanding, what suppose any number has given and its cube root is 3 digit, then out of those 3 digit our digits would be A, B, C. It means out of 3 digit cube root, first digit would be A, second digit would be B, and third digit would be C. Like that we are just only imagining. Like that just only imagining to find a formula to find middle digit of our cube root number given. Okay, no problem. Now so see here, I want to find value of A, B, C cube. To find a formula, I want to find value of A, B, C cube. So how I will find? That's a question. So I have an idea. So firstly I am going to find value of ABC square. ABC square. ABC square. And for that I am just trying our crosswise method. In the multiplication we have learned that crosswise method we are trying just only. So means what? Here A, B, C, and here A, B, C. Actually my target is to find ABC cube. But firstly I am finding ABC square for it, and then ABC square I will multiply with ABC to find ABC cube. That's my intention. Okay, so now I have wrote ABC into ABC for crosswise multiplication. We don't never to do multiplication, just writing something. Okay, so unit into unit, C square. Now unit into 10, unit 10, unit 10. So it is now BC and BC. So it is 2BC. Now it is 100 into unit, 100 into unit, and 10 into 10. So it is AC plus 2BC. Now AC, it becomes 2AC. And plus B into B becomes B square. Now fourth step is what? AB, A into B, A into B. So it is becoming 2AB. And finally it is becoming A into A square. So it's expansion of ABC square. And now we are multiplying expansion of AB square with ABC. So now here I want to write A, here I want to write B, here I want to write C. Here in the expansion of ABC square I have 5 components, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here in the ABC I have only 1, 2, 3 components. Let it be. I am putting just only dash for our understanding. I am not solving full example. Just only one value I want to find. Second value. So I am not solving complete example. Just I am showing you. Now in my imagine there are 5 digits and here are 5 digits, and I am just only doing the multiplication by crosswise system to find the values just only. Okay, so here now firstly unit into unit, c square into c, it is c cube. Now this into this plus this into this. Okay, so 2bc into c, it would become 2bc square, and again b into c square, it become bc square. It has no value here, so its value is 1. So togetherly they are being 3bc square, 3bc square. It is our second value, 3bc square. Our intention was to find this only value, because to find the middle digit of our cube root of any 7, 8 or 9 digit number, we need this term. So only we found this much. Again, for our more interest, we can find this much term here by multiplying this plus this plus this with the product of those three. Here we can make this component, but we are not needing it. Let it be just only. We were needing just only this component. So now keep in mind forever 3b square. Okay, now everything I want to rub. So see, by expansion, this much we are not requiring further, so I am just only rubbing. My intention was to show how we have found 3b square, because to find the value of our middle digit, we are always using 3b square that we have found from the expansion of ABC cube, that you should know. Okay, so now we are continuing all our example. So here I am writing what is the basic formula when you are going to solve the you are going to find a cube root of any 7 or 8 or 9 digit cube number. That time, specially to find a middle digit, you have a formula, that is 3b square. That always we should use. So I am putting I am keeping in upside. So now we are turning to solve our examples now. Okay, yes. So our first example is here now. The example is 196 124 and 941. Okay, so example, just we can read 19 crore 61 lakh 24,943, but at the time of writing only we have made as a pairwise. So means 3 digit pair, 3 digit pair, 3 digit pair. Last one digit can be of 1 digit, 2 digit or 3 digit. Here it is of 3 digits, so no problem. Now by observation we can find the last digit. If it is 1, then definitely it is also 1. Now first digit, just see 196 and nearby cube number is 125. Cube number is 125 because it is cube of 5. Cube of 6 is 2, cube of 6 216 is bigger than it, so we are not taking it. So 125 is suitable. So what we can understand here, our first digit is 5 from the ABC. Our first digit is 5, last digit is 1, and now we are trying to search middle digit, that we will call B. Yeah, that's only logic. So now we are taking our formula 3b square, 3b square, 3bc square, 3bc square. Okay, so now here what to do to solve the example. Okay, so now firstly here I want to solve cube of last digit from the given pair. From the last pair, I wrote here formula. Then how can I find values of it? That is the thing, logic to understand. So for it, last digit's cube I should subtract from the last pair. So cube of 1, cube of 1. What is the cube of 1? 1 into 1 into 1. So finally answer is 1 only. We know it. Okay. So 1 cube of last digit. Don't say 1 because sometimes we may confuse. Okay. Cube of last digit we have to subtract. Okay. Let us subtract. After subtracting, definitely our last digit would become 0. If there is no 0, then somewhere you are wrong. Okay. So we are not matter of this 0, but as a confirmation we should know here always comes 0. Now just see next to it. So middle digit of the pair 4 is remaining and it is remaining 9. So not necessary to write further everything. So here we got 4. We got 4. So middle digit of the pair after subtracting cube of the last digit. So we got 4. So here now we can understand one thing, that is what here this 4 is last digit of value of 3b square. Keep in mind, very simple. What middle digit we found after subtracting the cube from the last pair, that we got 4. We didn't write 9, 4 something anything. That 4 is last digit of value of 3b square. So means what? Here are 2 or 1. Here are 2 digits, but we are not mattering what are those 2 digits. It's not matter for us. Okay, let it be. Now what I want to do? I want to insert value of c. Now here in this formula there is c square. C is itself 1. So square of 1 into 1. So what is that? C square's value 1 I am getting. So now 3, it is what? 3 into b into 1. So 3 ones are 3b is equal to, here in the place of dash maybe any digit, we don't know it. Only we have understood that last digit is 4. Last digit is 4. So by knowing last digit is 4, we can find b. So how? Only just think for last digit. Don't complete multiplication. Okay. So here is 3, which has been multiplied by b. So by multiply, if there is 3, so 3 into what? 3 into what? That ends with 4. By which digit you can multiply 3? So the answer would be end with 4. So see, 3 8s are 24, which ends with 4. No other option, only that only is there. You can check yourself. So what is there? 3 8s are 24. Not a matter of 2. Just it is what? If I am multiplying this 3, which is with b, by 8, I am getting ending digit 4. So 8 is b. That's it. So here in this example our b is 8. That is only our answer. We have to just only add 8 here. So cube of given number is 581. That's it.